North Goa Police has uncovered a scam which was being operated by individuals who are posing as hotel operators. These people used to dupe unsuspecting tourists by exploiting loopholes on renowned booking platforms such as booking.com. This fraudulent operation, which was active since 2022, we believe has deceived large number of tourists by linking non-existing properties for rent and collecting advance payments through multi-bank accounts. Goa Police had recently received several complaints regarding online fraud targeting tourists. Victims reported being duped by fake villa listings on platforms such as booking.com, where they were asked to pay advances for non existing properties. Our initial investigation has revealed that over 500 individuals have fallen prey to this scam. We were able to arrest 4 individuals. 3 of them were tracked down to Hyderabad and one was tracked down near Jaipur. During interrogation, the accused confessed to orchestrating the scam, and they also revealed their modus operandi. The perpetrators exploited vulnerabilities in booking platforms to create fraudulent listings for non existing properties. They then collected advance payments through digital payment systems linked to multiple bank accounts. They have been identified as one Mr. Saurabh, who is a resident of Gwalior, another Mr. Sayyid Ali Mukhtar, he is a resident of Hyderabad, one Mr. Muhammad Firoz, he is also resident of Hyderabad, and Mr. Muhammad Azharuddin Saif, who is a resident of Hyderabad.